Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Ford Fusion in maintenance mode. This is a vital step before performing any rear brake service, as it disengages the electronic parking brake. Following these instructions carefully will help prevent potential damage to your vehicle's braking system and ensure a smooth repair process. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, ensure your Ford Fusion's ignition is on, but do not start the engine. Next, firmly press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. While holding the accelerator down, simultaneously pull and hold the electronic parking brake switch in the up position. You will need to maintain both of these actions for a specific duration to activate the mode. Continue holding both the accelerator pedal and the electronic parking brake switch for a minimum of 5 seconds. You should then see a message appear on your instrument cluster, confirming maintenance mode active. Once this message is displayed, you can safely release both the accelerator pedal and the parking brake switch. Your vehicle is now ready for rear brake service. After completing your maintenance, simply turn the ignition off to exit maintenance mode. To confirm it has disengaged, you can cycle the ignition back on. Remember, always ensure the electronic parking brake is fully reset before driving. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial thinking, check out the link in the description for a fantastic book and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.